Going to the movie theater is so fun, but unfortunately, the snacks are always so expensive. So that's why today we're going to be going over 12 super cool hacks to sneak food into a movie theater. But before we start, make sure to click that red subscribe button and turn on your notifications. With that being said, watch the video to the very end to find out all these crazy hacks. Number 12, just bring an umbrella. For this one, bring an umbrella from home and open it and pour anything you want into it and close it. Once you bring it into the theater, you should be able to pass through with no problem. Number 11, sneak chocolate. For this one, all you have to do is tape little pieces of tape onto your stomach and attach them with bars of chocolate. No one will notice or suspect a thing. Number 10, stuffed animal hiding jar. For this one, you'll need a stuffed animal. Grab a pair of scissors and cut the head completely off. Take some stuffing out of the body and grab a jar and place it inside. Grab a hot glue gun and glue it into it, and once you're finished, glue the lid to the inside of its head, and now you can use it as a jar and no one will suspect a thing. Number 9, sneak food with a teddy bear. Just like the previous hack, you'll need a stuffed animal. Cut out the back of the bear and place a zipper on the back. Take some stuffing out and place a small bag to place your food in, inside of the stuffed animal. Once you're done, you can zip it up and hide any food you'd like. Number 8, hiding food in popcorn. In this one, you can easily hide a cheeseburger from a fast food place and stuff it in the popcorn you just bought at the theater. No one will likely notice a thing. Number 7, sneak some candy. For this one, grab a wristband or anything and place it onto your leg. You can hide candy under it, and whenever people aren't looking, just grab whatever you want to eat and you are amazing. Number 6, sneak a drink with a hoodie. Grab your hoodie and cut out a piece where the head piece is at and slide in a bag that you can drink from. Stitch it back together and grab a straw and connect it to the bag. Now you can sneak a drink whenever and you won't have to purchase one. Number 5, drink empty. For this one, when you have an empty drink, simply place any food you want that requires a straw because you can now use the straw as a spoon and it is super cool. Number 4, hide food in the popcorn box again. For this one, all you'll need to do is cut out a hole at the bottom of the popcorn. Glue a small box, and you might want to do this real fast so you don't get caught. Anyways, on to number 3. Number 3, long hair helps in the end. For this one, if you have long hair, you can easily sneak food. Any snack you're going to sneak needs to be hidden by your hair. Like for us, we're using it by our ears. Number 2, hide candy into your face mask. Start off by placing edible glue inside of your mask and place the candy pieces on the inside. No one will ever know that you're eating candy because you are just wearing a face mask. Number 1, pretend you have a baby. For this one, you'll need a baby doll. Wrap it into a blanket and sneak some candy inside the blanket. Once you go to the theater and act like it's a real baby, when you get into the theater, you can just start eating the candy and no one will ever suspect a thing. Have you guys ever used any of these hacks? If so, let us know how they worked, and if not, are you going to try any of them? But that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. And until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Stay tuned for all of our next video content.